This is Rhonda of Green Glass. What we have here today is lavender mirror. Now, this glass is suitable for mosaics as well as stained glass projects. The glass is a deep purple or grape color with a soft texture on one side, kind of rolling and soft, bumpy, and flat on the other side where the actual mirror finish is. Okay, and the glass is approximately 1/8 of an inch thick. You will get thick and thin throughout this sheet because of the large soft texture. Okay, so here's the front and here's the back. This is actual mirror silvering, okay, just to give you an idea. And here is our tile shape sheet to give you an idea of what the pieces would look like. Here's our diamond, our 2-inch triangle, and our largest border piece. Okay? Alright. How transparent is the glass? Not very, which is cool because it's mirror. Okay, lavender mirror. This is Rhonda of Green Glass. Thank you so much for listening.